My name is Jiahao Guo. I am 17 years old and I am a senior at Mason High School in Mason, Ohio. The Coronavirus Relief Project is it's a student-run nonprofit organization, and we've been purchasing masks, fundraising and purchasing masks in China to ship over and donate to groups in the United States. So far, we've raised over $10,000 and have donated over 15,000 masks. So shortly after I was made aware to the existence of this mysterious virus in China, it spread to the United States and we were all quarantined. Of course, at the time, the United States was experiencing skyrocketing cases. And I saw, on the news and on the internet, that hospitals and the entire country was experiencing a massive shortage of masks, of equipment. It became quickly evident that there was simply no way, it was impossible to obtain masks in the United States. Keeping updated with friends and family in China, I saw that the country was recovering and that masks were made readily available to the country again. And so despite fierce political and economic tensions between the United States and China, of course, ensuring that the community has enough masks, enough equipment is far more important than any of that. But it started out with me at first and a small group of friends. From there, more members joined in, helped fundraise, helped seek new connections. And from there, it was really a process of simply reaching out to donors, to other organizations, reaching out to suppliers as well. We had members in both the United States and China. And so from there, it became a much wider effort. If there's one thing that COVID-19 has shown us, it's that our lives, our entire world can truly change like that. So I would say that the possibilities, the opportunities truly are limitless. The quote is a perfect representation of the need, the necessity of community service. We've seen it every day since the start of this pandemic. Doctors and nurses on the front line risking their lives, food pantries and shelters working tirelessly to bring aid to people in need. And so I've been able to experience that quote as well through this whole process. Bringing in masks, donating it to hospitals and community organizations, to social activists, and even an elderly senior couple living independently. And so in doing this, throughout the entire process, community service has really been essential, not only to serving others, it's also been helpful for myself as well in gaining insight into others, gaining insight into the world, and as the quote states, in truly living. So Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., he was obviously a civil rights fighter, a champion for equal rights for all. But he was also a connector. He was also one who built bridges between communities, overcame division, and fostered understanding between different peoples, however different they may be. And so that's definitely served as an inspiration in my own life as well, growing up with two different cultures.